Harisena was a poet and a minister at the court of blank. Answer is option A, Samudragupta. Friends, if you understand in detail, Harisena was the court poet of the Gupta Emperor Samudragupta. Allahabad pillar inscription, also known as Prayag Prasasti, consists of 33 lines composed by Harisena. Samudragupta was the son and successor of Chandragupta I and was the greatest ruler of the Gupta dynasty. He had been termed as the Napoleon of India by V.A. Smith. Which of the following is an example of Rabi crop? Answer is option D, wheat. Friends, Rabi crops are the crops that are winter sown and spring harvested crops. This cropping system is usually followed in the Indian subcontinent. Examples for Rabi crop: wheat, chickpea, mustard, and linseed. Which of the following quantities has the SI unit as candela? Answer is option C, luminous intensity. How many fundamental rights does Part 3 of Indian Constitution guarantees Indian citizens? Answer is option B, 6. Friends, under Part 3, Article 12 to 35 of the Constitution, every citizen has provided 6 fundamental rights. A total of 7 rights were originally provided by the Constitution. 44th Amendment 1978 AD removed the right to property and made a legal right 300A. The fundamental rights secure the natural rights of all citizens, and it was taken from the Constitution of USA. In which state is the New Year celebrated in the name of Vishu? Answer is option D, Kerala. Friends, you know the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. All England Championships is associated with blank. Answer is option A, badminton. Friends, All England Open Badminton Championships held annually in England is the world's oldest badminton tournament. The genesis of the tournament can be traced to an open tournament held in the English town of Guildford in 1898. All England Open Badminton Championships 2023 was held in Birmingham. Which one of the following books was authored by Harshvardhana? Answer is option A, Ratnavali. Friends, King Harshvardhana was the son of Prabhakar Vardhana, the founder of the Pushibhuti dynasty or the Vardhana dynasty. He is considered one of the most prominent rulers of the 7th century. He was a Hindu who later embraced Mahayana Buddhism. MG-Narega scheme was launched on. Answer is option A, 2nd February 2006. Friends, the Indian Parliament passed Narega in August 2005. It came into force on February 2, 2006. On 2nd October 2009, the Act Narega was renamed MG-Narega, means Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. The monetary policy of India is framed by. Answer is option D, the Reserve Bank of India. According to Article 161 of the Indian Constitution, who among the following has the power to pardon or modify the sentence? Answer is option B, Governor of various states. Friends, according to Article 161 of the Indian Constitution, the Governor has the power to pardon or modify the sentence. The law governing that grant of pardon is contained in Articles 72 and 161 of the Constitution. India's largest sleeping Buddha statue has been built in Bodh Gaya. What is the length of the statue? Answer is option C, 100 feet. Friends, if you understand in detail, India's largest reclining statue of Lord Buddha has been built in Bodh Gaya in Bihar, constructed by Buddha International Welfare Mission. This statue is 100 feet long and 30 feet high. The statue shows Lord Buddha in a reclining posture. This statue is in Kushinagar where he attained his Mahaparinirvana. It is made of fiberglass. Dhaulavira is the blank Indian site to be inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Answer is option A, 40th. Friends, Dhaulavira is an archaeological site in Bhachau Taluka of Kutch district in the state of Gujarat in western India. Dhaulavira is also known locally as Kotda Timba. Dhaulavira site was discovered on 1967 to 68 by J.P. Joshi of the Archaeological Survey of India. Ziauddin Barni was the court poet of which king? Answer is option A, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Friends, the works of Ziauddin Barni are Tarikh-e-Firoz Shahi and Fatwa-e-Jahandari. Where is the headquarters of the World Intellectual Property Organization situated? Answer is option D, Geneva. Friends, World Intellectual Property Organization means WIPO. Formation year is 14 July 1967. Type of this United Nations Specialized Agency. Headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland, and present membership is 193 member states. Present Director General is Darren Tang. In National Income Accounting, GVA stands for. Answer is option A, gross value added. Which one is not a component to construct a Human Development Index in India under UNDP? Answer is option B, infant mortality rate. Which element in the modern periodic table has the same number of valence electrons as that of cesium? Answer is option C, potassium. Friends, both potassium and cesium belong to group first of the periodic table, also known as alkali metals. In AIBA boxing junior boys and girls competitions, the bouts must consist of each round of blank minutes. Answer is option A, 2 minutes. Friends, AIBA means International Boxing Association. Present headquarters is Lausanne, Switzerland. Present president is Umar Nazorovich Kremlev from Russia. Founded year is November 1946. Which among the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides for the Attorney General of India? Answer is option B, 76. Friends, the Attorney General is the highest law officer in the country and provides legal advice to the government of India. The Attorney General is appointed by the President of India. The Attorney General can appear in any court of law in India and can also participate in the proceedings of the Parliament. Name the first Hindi language newspaper of India, first published on 1826. Answer is option C, Udant Martand. Friends, if we understand in detail, Udant Martand is the first Hindi language newspaper of India, first published on 30 May 1826. Starting on 30 May 1826 from Kolkata. The weekly newspaper was published every Tuesday by Pandit Jugal Kishore Shukla.